Bro. Hello, guys, again. Well, today we're learning about dinosaurs. And I'm going to show you. I'm going to give you a piece of crap. They look like this. Whoa. I'm not choking though. It's just mine. I just put it into this. Because it's yelling so much or something. Then I can't breathe. So I can still breathing. Please hold the boys, give me a crying scene. I mean, give me a... Please, no. Man, give me. I want to go into his stomach. If my crap is not working today, I'm not doing this. You're not going to recorder, which is my tablet recording. We're the preserve because we feel so calm. There's a lot of cockroaches in my wall. I know they're dead, but you want waffle fries? Oh! It's not gonna be a big one, kids. This one, Velociraptor, Plesiosaurus, do you want to see my jaw now? Because this guy doesn't know how tall our policy. you like brain rot, and new person that didn't subscribe will be eaten by one of these dinosaurs. For real. Look at him. Ha ha ha! How high is all of this? Look, it's not a pterodactyl. Do you see the name, bro? Or like crazy? Like pterodactyls don't have this thing. They have like a triangle thing that almost looks like that on their head. Spinosaurus. Waddle, 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 waddle. Waddle, waddle. I say waddle. Waddle, 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 like a dog. You can subscribe if you don't like it for me. And if you're watching some, like watching like some of that stuff or something. Like sometimes like, I used to like kids when I was like a kid. I don't even know when I was 5 years old. I don't even know if I make so become as a little kid. Except I know like farm animals, ocean animals, zoo animals. Oh my gosh, that was so scary. Well, bye guys, see you in the next video. Bye.